More news coming in. All eyes on Mahagathbandhan manifesto. Mahagathbandhan names manifesto Tejasvi Pran Patra. Tejasvi manifesto to reveal 5-year vision. Tejasvi says NDA slams, NDA slammed the opposition and no word on Vikas for Bihar. The manifesto is called Tejasvi Pran Patra here, which is going to be released, and there is going to be a 5-year vision to this manifesto, is what we are learning. Remember, the Mahagathbandhan face is Tejasvi Yadav, and there's been some amount of heartburn within the opposition already on this. Listen to what Tejasvi Yadav said.
हम लोगों के तरफ से सीएम का चेहरा भी घोषित है और आज हम लोग जो है बिहार के लिए हमारी क्या योजनाएं रहेंगी अगले 5 साल के लिए, यानी जिसको आप तेजस्वी प्रण पत्र भी कह सकते हैं, घोषणा पत्र जो हम लोग आज जो है जारी करेंगे। लेकिन हम तो चाहते हैं एनडीए की तरफ से कि उनका मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा कौन होगा और उनका घोषणा पत्र अब तक क्यों नहीं आया, उनका विजन क्या है, कैसे वो बिहार को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। अब तक जितनी योजनाएं लाई हैं इन्होंने नकल की है तेजस्वी की, तो इनके पास कुछ अपना करने को कहने को नहीं है बिहार के लोगों को। हम लोग विजन बता रहे हैं, रोड मैप बता रहे हैं, हम लोग क्लियर है कि बिहार को नंबर 1 बनाना है।
Aishwarya is getting in more details on that story at this point in time. The manifesto is going to get released, but the name that has been given to it, I'm very sure that is going to cause fair amount of heartburn within the Mahagathbandhan, isn't it, Aishwarya? The NDA is already going after the Mahagathbandhan, saying the Congress here has been sidelined, isn't it, with Tejasvi's photograph on the poster of Mahagathbandhan, with him being projected as a face. The BJP and the NDA will be taking them on.
Well, definitely, Sneha, we will see, and this is exactly what the top leaders of the BJP, including Home Minister Amit Shah, have also been speaking about. The BJP, very, very clear that you just need to pick up the candidate list, the ticket that has been given by the RJD and largely by the Congress also, and they have been pointing fingers that all that Nitish Kumar and Prime Minister Modi, all of them together have been doing is looking at the development. But when you look at the Mahagathbandhan, development is the last thing that they speak about. So we are now seeing how a tug of war is taking place, and it is Nitish Kumar who will now also be pointing fingers and saying that it is Tejasvi Yadav and the Yadav clan which now wants to come back to power. That's the reason why even the name, that name is something that Tejasvi has given himself. We will, however, see the biggies from the Congress also, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, all of them will be here in the state of Bihar, will be on the campaign trail. But there is a lot of confusion still, Sneha. That's what the NDA also has been pointing to us, the fact that what do you mean by friendly fights? What are these friendly fights that are taking place within the Mahagathbandhan? But yes, this is one thing that the BJP will be speaking about, the NDA will be speaking about.
Keep with us, I'll come back to you for more on that. Aishwarya Paliwal getting in those details, tracking that big story from Gopalganj.